Hello everyone, today in front of me I have LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and in this video we are going to show how you can enable the keyboard clipboard on this device. First of all, call out for the keyboard anywhere. I'll use this Google search bar widget for it. Here at the keyboard itself, look for this very icon that stands for the clipboard. Tap on it, and in order to enable the clipboard, all that it's left to do is to turn on the small switch. And as you can see, the clipboard has been successfully activated. Next, in order for us to be able to edit the elements that we have at the clipboard, we're going to tap on this pencil, choose what elements we would like to remove, and then tap on this trash bin. Next, if we want to add anything to the clipboard itself, we gotta copy it. So in my case, I'll type in car, select, tap on copy, and if we'll get back to the keyboard clipboard, we'll see that the car element has been successfully added to the recent section, to be particular. In order to be able to use the elements, all you gotta do is tap on it and the element will be pasted. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!